point of today's video is this shed right here. It was kind of full to the top. It's not in great condition, obviously, but I've been spending the last couple of days just cleaning it out. A lot of random things in here. God. Blimey hell. I need an horse, never mind this. Oh, crap.
Yeah, Scott, they don't have no cameras.
Door handle there, antique. Here. What are doors in here? 6, 7 doors. It's rather strange because the shed itself, it doesn't have a door. Just set this up, gonna do a little bit of a time lapse as well. So this little shed, it was put up in the 50s by the second owners. They bought it from a lady that built it. She was into peacocks, exotic birds. I'm into exotic birds as well. I'm married an American, so there you go. These things here, I can use them as stakes for no trespassing signs. The reason that I bring that up is that a couple of days ago, 2 people got inside. And I'm stupid. You know, I mean, I bought this place after all, but these 2, they went through 7 or 8 different cameras and they didn't know. Not only that, but she used his name. He's called Scott.
Yeah, Scott, they don't have no cameras.
I'm sure Scott's watching this video right now and thinking, damn, beam me up, Scotty. God, I thought it was real then, a horse's leg. But they came back round to the front and they took a little souvenir. Not a rock or whatever else they could find. They took my piss bucket. It's the bucket that was formerly known as Harry, but we've stopped the leaks now, so, you know. But yeah, congratulations, Bossy Pants and Scott. You are now the rightful owners of the Santa Fe Castle piss pot. I wonder if one of these are the original door. Let's have a look. If anything, it's probably this one. I think. Let's find out which door fits the hole. Turned out, it was none of them. Oh crap. A lot of tiles here. I think some of these tiles are the same tiles that were used on the cool floor, remember that? So, can perhaps use these to fill in any little gaps that I find. I don't know. I bet this was stunning more when it was first built. Because you got all that glass there. Imagine all that colour coming in. We'll see though. I hope that we can rescue this. Wonder what these are.
Garbage.
No. Can use them.
For what?
Picture frame.
Fiberglass. No, you're not.
All right. That's a pipe full of pipes.
Yeah.
I've seen a few little treasures that I like. It's a lampshade and plates. Got a lot of plates here. I mean, even if I don't eat from them, you know, cat food, all that. Here we go. It's not the right door, but it's the closest one that fits. And yeah, it's quite big now. All that dirt on the floor. No surprise, massive crack there. The thing is basically splitting into two. Look at it from this side. I know symmetry. You can see. Oh, that's just... yeah. If you want to help us a bit, we do have stuff for sale on the store. I mean, a lot of it is a bit crap, but most of it's great. But for now, that shed, I'm going to fill it back up. What we have here is an original door. It used to go on here, but it kind of fell off, so it's going to take it away for storage now. I want to put it in that multicoloured shed that I cleared out. Oh, squash me here. Oh. Oh yeah. Wow. I'm actually doing something and it's going right. Look at that. Now, oh, don't want it to slide off. I mean, just think of all the people that have walked through this door. The original people that built it, the original owners, every owner since. God knows who else. You never know, do you? You know, Frank Sinatra might have been down here at one point. Maybe. You never know, do you? Bloody good song is that. Okay. There we go. Oh, tell you, I'm getting strong since doing this. Like, I mean, I'm still a giraffe. You know, I'm not built or anything, but man, I'm not struggling as that door. No way, a few months ago. They're quite interesting, aren't they, doors? All right, let's see how we're going to get this in. Oh, I think it's been repaired at some stage. Oh no, I think that was to attach the whatever goes underneath doors. There you go. All right, back to some gardening. Oh, check this out. Look at that. Absolute mess. These are the stones from up there. They're taking the crenellations off one by one. All of these stones are going to be taken off at some stage, but the priority now are these ones, because as you can see, they're already cracked. In fact, they're only held on by the roof. This bit is stressing me out more than anything, because I didn't know they all had to be removed. It's an extra expensive, that. I mean, the cost of taking all these down and putting them back up, it's about the same. Actually, I think it's a bit more than an actual roof. But there you go. It is what it is. And wow, I look like a scruff. So that's the shed cleared out. I'm just giving the turret a bit of a clear out, because tomorrow, rebuild starts. This is right at the top. I made a video here a while ago. But before we start on this big section, that last video that I showed you, it was taken from down here. So rebuild, that starts here. Yeah, there's no turning back now. It's finally happening. So stay tuned, we have an interesting few weeks ahead of us, so stick the kettle on, and remember that when you have tea, you have hope. And when you have hope, anything is possible.